The question is saying that a 3 centimeter wire carrying a current of 10 ampere is placed inside solenoid perpendicular to axis. The magnetic field inside the solenoid is given to be 0.27 Tesla. What is the magnetic force on the wire? So this is the solenoid, and we have assumed the magnetic field in the solenoid to be in the right to left direction of magnitude 0.27 Tesla, and there is a current carrying wire perpendicular to the axis of solenoid. So we have assumed that there is a current that is flowing from down to top, and the magnitude of the current is 10 ampere, and the length of the wire is 3 centimeter. So we know that magnetic force is given by F equals to ILB, where I is the current and L is the length of the wire and B is the magnetic field. By substituting the given values in this formula, we will get a value of 0.081 Newton.